Welcome back. Temperatures continuing the decline yet this afternoon. Yesterday making highs in the upper 30s. Today only highs in the upper 20s, some 10 degrees colder than where we were yesterday. So again, it was quite a shock compared to where we were just a few days ago. And we are below normal now for our high temperatures in the last 24 hours. And temperatures continuing to fall into the 20s as we speak now. Most of us having a few clouds from time to time and mainly in the lower 20s. Wind chills though remain in the teens as we continue a much cooler pattern along with stiffer winds from time to time. 24 degrees here in Rockford, though it feels more like 18. The winds, though, starting to relax just a bit. We'll see those pick up again for our Sunday afternoon, ushering in a warmer air mass. Max Storm Tracker presented by Anderson Nissan. Scans locally here are very quiet. As we zoom things out, you can see a little bit of cloudiness trying to work its way over our area here. There is an area of high pressure just off to our south, and this will continue moving off to the east. And as it does on the back side of this, tomorrow we'll turn the winds out of the south, and what that will do is it'll warm our temperatures up significantly. Now granted, it will be windy outside, so it's not going to feel like 40s, but it will certainly feel warmer than it did out there today. It has been a remarkable winter, and it is continuing. Our last 1 inch plus of snowfall that we observed here in Rockford nearly some 70 days ago. Quite amazing that we haven't seen anything since mid-December in terms of that amount of snow. And for the season starting December 1st through now, almost a foot behind in terms of snowfall where we should be for this time of year. So that snow we saw this morning, another shock, something we haven't seen for quite some time. Timecast does clear out the rest of those clouds that we had around earlier this evening. Notice by Sunday morning, we keep the sunshine around right into the afternoon. Could have a few clouds by Sunday evening, otherwise things remaining very quiet, and we're back into the sunshine by the time we reach Monday morning. So overall, some nice weather ahead if you don't mind the wind. Overnight tonight, cold, down to 20 degrees, partly cloudy skies and a west-southwest breeze at about 20 miles per hour. Sunday, much improved in the temperature department, back up into the middle to upper 40s, partly sunny skies expected, and winds very gusty out of the southwest around 30 miles per hour. Now tomorrow just starts the warming trend that continues not only into Monday but also Tuesday. That's when we could potentially reach the upper 50s, and that's all ahead of our next storm system bringing in a decent chance of rain, maybe even a rumble of thunder with that activity, just like we saw this past couple of nights ago. And then otherwise a moderate temperature pattern continues on, really not seeing any extreme cold or really big chances of accumulating snowfall. So a mild winter continues on in the state line.
Looks good. Thanks so much, Andrew. Coming up on the Sports Ticket, Mike Buda shows us if a pair of state line teams could bring home championships tonight, including the Byron girls basketball squad as they attempt to repeat at state. Would they become just the second team from the area to complete the back-to-back? Those highlights are next.